So to make our shampoo, I cut up the aloe vera, removed the spikes, removed all the skin, and this is what I'm left with for one little leaf of it. So I'm going to be mixing the aloe vera gel or leaf with some water, some spring water, if that makes a difference. And we have some sea moss that's been hanging around, so we're gonna put a tad bit of that in there, and then I'm gonna blend this aloe and the sea moss together. And I have helpers. Okay, you're too loud. Inside voice, please. We have helpers. Okay, so I'm gonna mix the aloe and the sea moss and water. And then once I take it out, because I don't want to put oil in my blender, I'm going to be adding some olive oil to it, and that will be our shampoo. And this is what the aloe mixture looks like before we add the oil. Alright, so this is the aloe mixture. Aloe vera leaf and some sea moss, and about from here up to here of olive oil. And this is what it looks like. Okay, you see the oil is already mixed at the bottom. So I'm going to shake it up before I actually put it in her hair. And I'm going to be using this on my hair as well when I wash it out, either today or tomorrow. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when I apply it. So here I'm just showing you that I did cut some of the okra up in halves, and then some of it I just left just cutting the ends and the tops off. And this is just to kind of help release the sliminess and the gooiness out of the okra when we get ready to boil it. Okra, we're just boiling the okra, and it's basically just boiled for the amount of time that I was cutting the aloe vera. So once I put it in the blender, we're going to take the okra out and let it cool, and then we're going to strain it, and we're going to use the juice from the okra for the conditioner. And this is the okra, the conditioner, after it's been strained.